Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a battery in a Honda CRV keyless remote. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready makes the process quick and easy. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and get your remote working again in minutes. Now let's open the remote. Look for a small slot or seam along the edge of the remote casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the remote should separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note which way the positive side is facing, usually indicated by a plus sign. Gently remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the remote casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, head to your Honda CRV and test all the remote's functions, like locking and unlocking the doors. Your remote should now work perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.